Hello guys, welcome to the channel SoftwareTechIT. Also visit on softwaretechit.com for theoretical and more updates. Okay, let's start. Today we will be creating a app called AutoCompleteText. Let's find out. I am opening a documentation. Let's view the documentation. Here editable text view that shows complete suggestion automatically, while autocomplete text is a completion of suggest text that we can type in the box. It will be suggest related text. Okay, now here you can select from drop down menu. Here is the code of demo code. Here some properties of the autocomplete text. You can check out this. Okay, let's start. Okay, first create a text box, autocomplete text view. I'm creating a autocomplete text view. Let's align it match parent and margin 30 dp from top. Okay, set color, layout height is 50 dp, hint, enter value. Okay, let's create a button. First apply it id autocomplete. Okay, go to Java file, main activity, create a variable autocomplete text view, and let's autocomplete text view equal to find view by id. Get the id. Okay, now we are creating a auto text view that will have a required. Let's check values. Okay, here is the value of string array of values equal to get the sum values. This will demo app, but you can use SQL for this. And more options. Okay, autocomplete text dot set adapter new. First create a adapter, array adapter equal to new array adapter, get application context comma, r dot layout, simple spinner drop down item view, comma values. Okay, now here we can create a drop down menu for the autocomplete text. Okay, here we can change support r.layout support supple spinner drop down item, autocomplete text dot set adapter, array adapter, pass it array adapter. Okay, now test this application, it working or not. Array adapter dot set. Oh sorry. Okay, autocomplete text dot set thresholds, pass it. One, pass 1. Okay, run it, check it is working or not. No, it's not working. Let's run again. Okay, now it's run. Okay, it will suggesting, but the value is not getting. Background. Okay, run again, remove background. Okay, run again, check out. Now it's running. Let's check. No, it's not appearing. Change android.r.layout simple list item 1 file is. Run again. It's running, check out. Yeah, this is appearing values, but one value is appearing now. Click on. Okay, check some more options. Update value running. Okay, run again. Now it's appearing. Okay, it's suggesting the autocomplete text. Okay, autocomplete text view, but it's not getting value in. And click autocomplete text dot set on item, click listener, new adapter on. Okay, toast make text. Okay, let's check. On click action, it will be setting. Okay, check out. Oh, it's working on click, but its value is not appearing in L text box. Okay, check the position of the suggested value, click. Okay, check. Now it's running. Okay, thank you. Subscribe channel. Also visit SoftwareTechIT.com and watch more videos.